Okay. What if you could build a full AI presentation with slides, images, and voiceover without paying for any tool? Okay, so let me show you OpenGamma. So what is OpenGamma? OpenGamma is free open source alternative of Gamma.app. The difference, it doesn't have its own AI. It connects to the CLI tools you have already installed in your system. For example, Gemini CLI. It's gonna use the Gemini CLI to prepare the presentation. So there is basically no subscription and no third-party services. So and also your data stays in your system. So it's a good thing, I guess. And next, let me walk you through the left panel real quick. There, everything sets up before getting started. So this is the presentation name, where you have to give the name, and then the design system. You can choose any of the design system from there. And there we have the slides count from 4 to 12, 20. You can select any of those. And then we have the aspect ratio, and then you have to explain like a small intro about the what you want to build. And then comes my favorite part, AI Media Studio. You can toggle on image, so it auto generates and embeds visuals into your slides. And right below that, AI voiceover that turns, if you turn it on, AI will generate narration for every single slide based on the slide notes. So like basically you don't need to present your presentation. AI is gonna present your presentation properly, explain every topic. So, all right, let me actually build one right now. Uh, First, here we have the name evolution of AI, and selected the deep ocean theme, and the slide is 4, and the aspect ratio, and then we have the description, and AI image and voiceover both are on, and let's click onto the generate button. So first, it's gonna analyze topic and research content. So basically, it's uh, getting the content about the evolution of AI and like properly structuring it. Give it some time. It's gonna like research it and then start implementing. Okay. So now the research is done, and now it starts writing slides from 0 to 4. Okay, so it's get generated evolution of AI. Now, as you can see, there we have the voiceover button as well. So, yes. So let's start and see what is the voiceover of this like whole presentation. Let's start with the first
We
page.
no longer program AI, we train it. The transition from narrow, task-specific models to generalized foundation models means AI's evolution is no longer linear, it is exponential. Welcome to the autonomous takeover. AI continuously refines its internal weights. Every interaction makes the model fundamentally smarter. We are seeing organic adaptability, where AI generates its own data to master complex domains. The takeover isn't a sci-fi robot rebellion, it is a quiet delegation of human decision-making. We have voluntarily handed over cognitive labor. This creates a feedback loop of dependence that accelerates the AI's evolution. We are approaching the theoretical threshold of AGI, where AI writes better architectures than human engineers. The ultimate question is whether we face obsolescence or forge a new paradigm of symbiosis. The time to act is now.
Okay. So as you can see,
We
like
no longer program AI.
after explaining every slide, it's moving to the next slide and starts explaining by its own. So you don't have to present your presentation as well. It's getting generated, and there we have the export button for exporting anything like in any format you want. So just export presentation, that's it. That's not a big deal. And one big deal is you can edit every single line from that slide as well. So yep. Yep, that's it. This is the OpenGamma. I know it's not the perfect one right now. I am still working on it. So if you want to contribute, the repo is public. You can see it. And also we have the download links as well in the description. So just try it out. If you got any kind of error, just report that bug in the GitHub so that we can improve our vision. And also, if you are a developer, just try to contribute. And if you like that repository, just give it a like. That's it. Thank you, and see you in the next one.